If you're a gaming creator and want to earn crypto without relying on ads, this is for you. Let me explain Crosswave in under 2 minutes. Crosswave is a Web3 creator rewards platform inside the Cross ecosystem. Creators upload gaming videos or streams and fans support them through the platform. That support is tracked on-chain and used to rank creators in competitive campaigns. How it works. Creators connect a CrossX wallet, upload content, and join specific campaigns. Fans support them by watching their videos, watching their live, interacting with their videos, and commenting on it. Each campaign has its own leaderboard and reward pool. At the end of the campaign, top creators earn cross tokens based on their ranking. The more genuine support and engagement you have, the higher you rank. Why it matters. Crosswave 2.0 focuses on impact, not just numbers. It rewards active communities, not fake engagement. For creators, it's a new way to monetize. For fans, it's a way to truly support. That's Crosswave in under 2 minutes. Would you join as a creator or support your favorite streamer? Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.